boys and girls, you creepy, scary, crazy people. I love you all. Thank you for watching here. Welcome to Growing Guitar. This is Wednesday. It's your day. Wish Wednesday, of course. We're gonna have fun now, guys. You wish for songs, and I bring up for you. That's the deal. And today we have Blizzard Productions. You wished for J. Cole's Life Sentence. J. Cole's very popular, I can see that. So thank you, Blizzard, for being here on this channel. And yeah, let's learn this great song, Life Sentence. We're gonna do that without any capo, as you can see. And yeah, I just want to highlight right now, if you have your song you want to learn in the future, next week or so, then leave me a comment. Do in the same way as Blizzard did. He left me a comment wherever he did that, and I will put you on the list, and let's see if we can hit your song for next time. Yeah, now let's go into this one. We have 3 different chords to learn, okay? So we're gonna learn them first and then see how we can handle them in different ways here. So we're gonna start with the D7 sus4. And that goes open D, second G, first B, and third E. That's the D7. Next is the C add 9. And that goes third A, second D, open G, third B, and open E. We have different versions for that C add 9. This is the one we're going to use. And then finally we have the G. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so there we have the chords. Now we can go and look into the chord progression first. And that will be the first half, D7, C add, and G. And the second half is D7, C add, G, and back to C. Okay? So that is how it goes. It just repeats itself. That is a chord progression. Okay. Then we're gonna learn how to play it just with simple strumming without any extras added to it. So we're gonna look into the first half now. We're gonna start with the D7, C add, and G. You're gonna play like this. All right. So you're gonna start with D7. You're gonna play like this. So you're going to start with down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. And then you continue with down, clap, down. So you have a short little pause in between there. So down, up, clap, down, clap, down. Okay. Then you go to the C add and play down, up, clap. And then you're going to continue on the G and play down, down, clap, down. So a down, and then comes that pause, and then you finish off with down, clap, down. So C add and G, they split on that first chord progression. You're gonna, starting around, you're gonna play for D7. So D7 goes down, up, clap, down, clap, down, then C, down, up, clap, and then G, down, down, clap, down. So slowly like this. And tempo. That's the first half. Second half goes D7 in the same way as the first half. You're going to play that in the same way. And then the same goes with the C add. You're going to play that down, up, clap. And then you're going to go to G and play just one down. And then comes that pause. And during that pause, you have time to switch back to the C add and finish off with down, clap, down. So that's the only difference there. In the end, the first half you had only G. Now you're going to split on that G as well. So play just one down on that G and then go back to the C add and play down, clap, down. So slowly it goes like this. And tempo. And that's the second half. Now I'm gonna play one full round for you, just the strumming, and it goes like this. And that is something you can just go on and on and on. And I really recommend you nail this first, this strumming. It's important, okay? And actually, you can just stop after nailing this and just, you're finished. That's it. That's the song, okay? But you can also add some different notes to the endings of both of these halves. So what you're going to do here now is to level up to end on that first half G. Instead of playing down, down, clap, down, you can play down, down, and then that clap down replace with this. 3 notes, okay? So you're gonna play open B, first B, and third B. And what I do here, I play that hammer-on technique, so I don't pick with my right hand, my picking hand. I don't pick 3 times, just pick the first open B. And then I hammer on with my fretboard hand, the first B and third B. So it goes in one motion. Why? Because it flows better and you're pretty much faster as well. So what you do there, again, instead of playing that strumming in the end, the last G in the first half, you play down, down, and then. So slowly, you're going to play the first half, goes like this. Alright, makes sense. And that is how I do it as well in the song. That's the first kind of added thing going on there, and the melody thing. And then now the second half ends in the same way. Instead of playing that down clap down in the last chord, which is the C add 9, you play and try to get the notes 2 notes only, okay? And that will replace the 2 downs, because you had that C add 9 and then down, clap, down, okay? So instead of playing down, you could play kind of a down, but you really try to get these 2 notes. And that will be on the open high E. So when you do that down, you see you have that there. And then the last down, because you have a clap in between, so you try to get that first fret high E. You can do that, just pick that note, or just make another downstroke. Either way is good. And that will be the added thing going on here in this melody. So together, the second half goes like this slowly. Or with the clap in between. All right, so standard. And then you just continue that chord version with the notes added or not. It's up to you, but that is actually how you handle J. Cole's Life Sentence. Blizzard Productions. I hope you loved Gordon's productions here. Actually not, it's just a tutorial. It's not me doing anything new. We just learned Life Sentence from J. Cole. Hope you like that, Blizzard, and all you J. Cole fans. And as I mentioned before, feel free to leave me a comment. I get a lot of comments actually, but I like this format of you kind of changing the rules here on Growing Guitar. You have your input and I see what you are asking for, and I also highlight you as a YouTuber if you are doing anything on YouTube or just have an account. But if you are doing anything, then you will get highlighted as well here on Growing Guitar. So that's a win-win situation. So I hope you enjoy that, and feel free to interact with me in the future here. Yeah, with that said, Thank you so much, and play tuned.